All right, so as usual, we'll start with dollar index, stabilize at around 106.70. It looks like there's still a lot of confidence in the US economy as a whole and the dollar as well, supported by a lot of the geopolitical tensions happening with Russia and Ukraine as well. Let's see some techs. So at 67.20, that's where the RSI is currently, signaling a bit of consolidation or potential consolidation. 107 big psychological level. That's upside resistance there. And 106.06 is the Wednesday low. So that's something to keep in mind. MACD does remain bullish. So again, still a lot of confidence. But it just looks like we might be in some consolidation for a while because the Trump euphoria has worn off just a little bit. Okay, we'll move on to the Australian dollar. Okay, we'll move on to the Australian dollar, as mentioned. Look, I personally haven't traded this in such a long time, but something of note, it did drop to 6,500. I've got my eye on it, and a lot of other traders have got their eye on it. It also hit a weekly high after rebounding off that psychological level at up to 65.45. So that's something to keep in mind. RBA did keep rates at 4.35 as expected, and inflation is cooling off a little bit there. But the Fed rate cuts for the US might see an appreciation in the Australian dollar. It's the first time in a very, very long time that the two rates are starting to sort of close in on each other a little bit there. But yeah, some upside resistance. We've got 6,600, which is a major psychological level, 6,500, which is huge support on the downside, and we've got the August low at 63.47. That's just some stuff I've got plotted out on the charts there. And RSI is at 43, signaling bearish momentum still. So I'd be cautious with any longs. But those are some levels to keep in mind, regardless of whether you're long or short.